In the world of Buddha, where wisdom flows like the rivers, and tranquility fills the air like the morning mist, there lies a profound truth, a secret to living fully embraced. At the first light of dawn, each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. This ancient wisdom spoken centuries ago still whispers to us today, inviting us into the sacred ritual of awakening with the sun. Imagine embarking on a journey each morning that leads you not just through the hours of your day, but closer to your true self, guided by the timeless teachings of Buddha. Rising at 5 a.m. is not merely an act of waking, but an act of rebirth, offering a canvas of possibilities where the stillness of the morning becomes your sanctuary for reflection, growth, and transformation. One live like the legends Buddha wisely stated. Your work is to discover your work, and then with all your heart to give yourself to it. Imagine embracing each morning at 5 a.m., not just as an alarm clock moment, but as a personal commitment, a promise to yourself, to explore and commit to your true purpose in life throughout history. Many legends and great thinkers have shared this early morning ritual, finding in these quiet hours the clarity and peace to focus deeply on their passions and work. This undisturbed tranquility at dawn serves as a blank canvas waiting for you to paint your day with intention and purpose. As you rise with the sun, you align yourself with a tradition of excellence, taking the time to reflect on what truly matters to you. The calm and serenity of the early morning provide a unique opportunity to set your goals, prioritize your day, and focus on what steps you need to take to achieve your dreams. This practice isn't just about waking up early. It's about awakening to your life's potential, guided by the inspiration of those who have walked this path before you to victory at dawn. Mastering your mind. Buddha once said the mind is everything. What you think you become. Imagine the early morning when the world is still asleep, and it's just you in the peaceful quiet of dawn. This precious time is perfect for taking control of your thoughts. Setting yourself up for a day where your actions are driven by purpose, not just random impulses or reactions to whatever comes your way. In these early hours, your mind is like a calm, clear pond, undisturbed by the day's demands or distractions. It's here that you can truly focus, reflect on your goals, and plan your day with intention. This practice of focusing and calming your mind before the day begins is like setting a compass for your actions. You decide the direction you want your day to take. Rather than letting the day lead you, by making a habit of waking up at 5 a.m., and dedicating some time to meditate, reflect, or simply sit in silence, you start to train your mind to remain focused and clear throughout the day. This disciplined approach to beginning your day not only improves your mental clarity, but also empowers you to become the person you aspire to be by consciously choosing your thoughts and actions from the moment you wake up. 3. Silence is golden. Embrace stillness. In this tranquil hour before the day begins, we are reminded of Buddha's teaching: silence, the angry man with love; silence, the ill-natured man with kindness; silence, the miser with generosity; silence, the liar with truth. These words encourage us to respond to negativity and hardship, not with more of the same, but with positive qualities that can transform situations and hearts. The early morning with its undisturbed quiet and calm offers a perfect backdrop to reflect on these principles. As the world around us sleeps, we have a unique opportunity to cultivate love, kindness, generosity, and truth within ourselves. This practice in the early hours sets a foundation for how we interact with others and face challenges throughout the day. Embracing the stillness of the morning allows us to connect deeply with these virtues, building a reservoir of inner peace and wisdom that guides us in our actions and interactions, lighting our path with compassion and understanding. 4. Move your body, unleash your energy. Buddha wisely pointed out to keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our minds strong and clear. This teaching reminds us of the deep connection between our physical well-being and our mental clarity. By starting your day with some form of gentle physical activity, You're not just waking up your muscles, you're also awakening your mind. Think of your body as a sacred temple that houses your spirit. Caring for it isn't just beneficial, it's essential. This could be as simple as stretching, practicing yoga, or taking a peaceful walk in nature. As the world around you comes to life, these activities send a wave of energy throughout your body, helping to shake off the sleepiness and sluggishness that comes from a night's rest. This energy boost doesn't just last for the morning, but invigorates your entire day. Setting a foundation for living life to its fullest, engaging in morning exercises also sets a positive tone, reinforcing a cycle of health and happiness. So by moving your body early in the day, you're doing more than just keeping fit. You're unlocking an inner vitality that propels you forward, ensuring that each day is lived with vibrancy and purpose. 5. Master your time. Buddha's timeless wisdom echoes in the saying, "The trouble is, you think you have time when you wake at 5 a.m. It's like receiving a gentle nudge from the universe reminding you of the fleeting nature of each passing moment." This simple act becomes a profound initiation into the art of mastering time. Imagine each morning as a blank canvas, waiting for your strokes of purpose and intention. By consciously choosing to greet the dawn, you're making a bold declaration to yourself that each day is a precious gift, not to be wasted or squandered. Mastering your time begins with this conscious decision to rise early. It's about seizing the reins of your day before the world stirs, before distractions come knocking in the quiet hours of the morning. You hold the power to shape your destiny, to prioritize what truly matters to you. As you embrace the ritual of waking at 5 a.m., let each sunrise serve as a gentle reminder to use your time wisely, to cherish the moments you're given, and to live each day with purpose and gratitude. The teachings of Buddha woven into the practice of rising at 5 a.m. offer more than a routine. They offer a path to a mindful, purposeful existence as we embrace these lessons. Let the dawn of each new day remind us of the potential that lies within us, waiting to be awakened. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If this blend of ancient wisdom and modern practice has inspired you, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into living a life of purpose and peace. Until we meet again. May your mornings be bright and your path forward clear.